Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool things right here, and basically what these are some storage bags. And the cool thing about these storage bags right here is the fact that they give you guys the option to vacuum seal the bag. So that way you guys actually save a lot of space in your closet or if you guys want to use it. So the one that we got right here comes in a pack of 4 of them, and there's 2 large and 2 short ones. But I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys see they provide you guys this accessory or tool right here if you guys need to use this option. So I'm assuming you guys can actually use this for like your vacuum cleaner or something to vacuum out all the air if you guys want to, or you can definitely use like the hand option as well to actually push it down yourself manually. But this is basically what the product looks like here. So we have 2 large ones and 2 small ones right here. I'll just open up one of each to actually show you guys what it actually looks like. So let's open up one of the big ones right here first. Alright, so first thing you see inside when you guys open up, they do provide you guys a little clip option. And this is basically like a little sealer that you can use to seal out the top of the bag. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm referring to this part right here. But right here we have the actual bag. So let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So the one that we got right here is a large one. If you can see how big it is. It's so big to the point you guys can't even see in the screen. But they basically have this little zipper compartment so that way you can actually put the clothes inside and zip it back up. If you can see in this side right here, this is basically the vacuum option to actually vacuum all the air out. So that way whatever you guys put inside is compressed and sealed inside. And the top part right here is a little hanger option that's actually hang in your closet. And the cool thing about this part right here is the fact that it's 360 rotatable. So if you want to rotate this part, you definitely can. So for this option right here, you can definitely use your hand to actually compress all the air out. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to use this option, you can definitely use this as well. If you guys look really carefully inside right here, they have a 5 rings inside right here. So that way if you guys want to hang 5 clothes in here, you definitely can. So this is basically what it looks like for the large one that we have right here. Let me open the small one as well and show you guys what that looks like. So right here the small one, let's open it up. Alright, so right here the small one, and this one also provide you guys the little sealer option as well. But when you guys open it up, this is basically what it looks like for the small one. So it's definitely still pretty long, but it's not as long as the other one that you just saw. The same thing right here, if you guys can see, they do have the little air vent option, so that way all the air can come out really easily. So that way I can actually compress the clothes inside. Top part right here is basically the same thing. 360 rotatable option. You can move it up and down like this if you guys want to as well. And right here they have the 5 hook option. So if you want to hang 5 different clothes on here, you definitely can. So this is basically what the product looks like for the large one right here and the small one right here. You can definitely use both of these right here to actually save a lot of space in your room. Especially if you guys have a lot of clothes or jacket in your room that you guys don't wear often. You can definitely use this to actually compress it together, and that way you actually save a lot of room in your closet. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let me show you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So first thing I'm going to do is open up this part right here on the side. And then once you guys open up that part, you guys want to put your clothes inside. So this one is a large one. There's a small one I showed you guys earlier. The other one you guys can definitely put for like jackets or whatever. But this one's really long, so if you guys have like longer stuff, you can definitely put inside right here. So maybe if you guys want to put like a robe or whatever, you definitely can. So I'm going to use 2 of my hooded blankets and set it right here to show you guys how it works. So basically when you guys put it in, you guys want to put your clothes hanger inside as well. And you basically want to put it inside the slot right here inside. Alright, so once you guys got that one in, you can definitely put like 4 more in. But 1 more on the side right here that I put inside as well. Alright, so once you guys got it in, you want to use the accessory that they provide for you guys to close up this side right here. So basically I'm going to use this accessory right here. So once you guys put your clothes inside the bag, you basically just want to fold it up and push it if you guys want to use your hand to do it. Otherwise, if you guys have the correct vacuum cleaner, you can definitely use the accessory that I showed you guys earlier. And put it right here so that way you can actually suck all the air out much faster than when you guys use your hand. In order for us to actually do this, we need to open up this part right here to let all the air out. So you basically want to keep folding up the product until all the air comes out. And then once all the air comes out, you can seal this part back up. Alright, so that should be good. So let's close it back up. If you can see, the product is all vacuum sealed and everything. You can definitely see that it's actually still spacious, so you definitely put a lot more stuff on here if you guys want to. So if you guys want to save a lot more space, you definitely can. But see, this is basically what the product looks like once you guys vacuum seal it. So now we can actually hang it back in the closet and show you guys what it actually looks like and how much space it actually saves. Alright, so see that this is basically what the product looks like once you guys hang it inside right here. So definitely save a lot of space once you guys put it inside right here. Compared to before when you actually put it into this bag, it actually wastes a lot of space. Like this whole area right here, you probably couldn't even see any space right here. But now that we have this option right here, we don't have to worry about that. If you notice my hanger right here fell off, So that's definitely something to kind of consider as well when you guys are using a hand to actually take out all the air. So probably it's more ideal for you guys to actually vacuum seal it using a vacuum cleaner if you don't want this to happen. But it's not a big issue if you can see it actually still works and it's holding everything pretty well inside. Alright, welcome back guys. So negative self-correct test of the product definitely see that actually does work and it's quite well. Literally once you guys put your clothes inside, you can definitely compress it either using your hand or if you guys want to use a vacuum cleaner, you can definitely use that as well. If you can see from the test, it's literally so easy to use it. I think it's actually a lot easier if you guys want to use a vacuum cleaner to actually use it. So that way you guys don't have to push the air out and everything. If you guys use a vacuum cleaner, all you guys need to do is push a button to actually activate it and use it. But if you guys can see, when we actually set out the product and actually put the clothes inside, it definitely compressed all the clothes together to actually save a lot of space in your closet. So that way you guys have a lot more room to actually put stuff inside as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of clothes, such as shirts, jackets, dress shirts, and the list goes on. Basically, if you guys have a lot of clothes in your closet and you guys want to make some space in your closet, you can definitely get one of these to actually compress everything so you guys can save a lot of space in your closet. And that way you guys have a lot more room. But then obviously, for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.